What's up?
You have to eat all the colors now.
Do 2 at a time.
All the colors. No,
Give me a blue. Give me a blue.
Separate them.
Take them out one at a time. Oh my gosh, you lied.
Okay, ready?
No, the blue. Blue.
Oh, the blue. Give me a blue. Wait, your phone's in the way.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Nasty.
What color was that one?
Orange.
And
Do it.
go.
Do
I'm trying
it.
to swallow.
Do it. Swallow. she like switches.
Give me a blue one out of there.
I'm taking one.
You run out of soda.
Oh, I know.
Why does she twitch?
Because it's really gross.
My brother does twitches that when he eats sour stuff too.
My dad will like this. You like. Alright, which one's the sourest?
I like this
Was
one.
it green?
No, blue is. Eat them both at the same time.
Yes, do it, do it.
Sour stuff.
Oh! Oh! Chew, swallow, swallow. Oh my god.
Of course you had to add that comment in there.
You look like a little kid.
How was that experience for you?
Disgusting. You ever do it again?
Tongue.
Your half your tongue is
tongue.
blue.
My tongue is blue. Let me see. Take it out.
We did.